Hey everyone, Dave Moorhead here with a great vegan recipe for you. Today we're going to be making a vegan crispy tofu sandwich. Wow. Yep, crowd loves it. Ooh. It's going to be a very simple recipe because I know some of you are very busy and you don't have a lot of time some days to make a sandwich. So basically I made it as simple as possible. All you're going to do is put some cornstarch and some spices in a bowl, and then we're going to coat all of the tofu pieces with the seasoning, and then we're either going to fry it or we're going to bake it, and that's it. Alright, so let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I will also list all the ingredients down below the video. Cut the tofu into smaller, thin pieces. Then dry the pieces with paper towels. Make sure the slices of tofu are not too thick. It will make it easier for us to overpower the taste of the tofu with our spices. Put all of the spices and the cornstarch in a small bowl and stir to combine. Coat each piece of the tofu with the cornstarch spice mixture and set them on a plate. If you are going to fry them, put some oil in a pan covering the entire surface of the pan. Ensure the oil is very hot before you add the tofu. Use an oil that has a high smoke point because we're going to need the oil to get very hot. Don't use olive oil. Carefully place the tofu in the pan. I used my hands, but it is better to use tongs to ensure you don't burn yourself if the hot oil splashes up. Cook for a few minutes on each side until the tofu is very crispy. Then place the tofu on a plate that has paper towels on it. The paper towels will absorb some of the oil. If you are baking them, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Put some parchment paper on a baking sheet. Spray the parchment paper with a little oil. Place the tofu on the parchment paper. Spray the top of the tofu with a little oil. This will help make the tofu crispy. Bake for 20 minutes. Turn the tofu over with a fork. Cook for another 20 minutes or until crispy. Baking times will vary. Toast your favorite vegan bread in a toaster. I used many French rolls. Put some vegan mayonnaise on the bread. You can also use avocado. Add a slice of tomato or tomato, depending on where you're from. And then salt and pepper to taste. Congrats, you have just made a vegan tofu crispy sandwich. Delicious. Please let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe, and if you like this video and you want to see more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe. Thank you and bon appetit.